My name is Alex Schrader. I'm an information systems technologist with transportation planning, and this innovation is the click button Travelway maintenance. I'll start off by giving just a little background what Travelway maintenance is. It's the process of taking line work and data that represent all the roads in Missouri, and it's basically just a refresh of this data to get the most latest and up-to-date information out there. Previously, this Travelway maintenance process was a manual effort. It was a lot of copy and pasting of codes, of procedure names, and there's lots of chances for error. So this simplifies, streamlines the process. It's a front-end graphic user interface. Pretty much anyone can use it. Simple to use, set up just like your typical Windows installer. So here's a typical screen. A user would go in and click these buttons, and each one of those is a button that represents a block of code that's going to get run in the database to help update all those information on the routes. So once the user would get through clicking those buttons on all on one screen, they hit the next button, go to the next one, and they just keep going. Certain other screens you can see along the way, this middle one here, it runs a procedure and then gives a little extra information to the user, what they have to do. They have to print off a report, kind of walks them through what they're looking for in the report, what they got to do next. Here's just another example of one. Parts of maintenance include verifying spatial data. So this screen right here will link you right to a map, pops right up on your computer. You click through the different layers, make sure everything draws properly. Just keeps you going. It's an easy way for everything to be in one place. For the user, just simplifies everything, streamlines it. You can run it off to the side and work on other stuff at the same time. Before, this is the big one. Here's our book of Travelway code. Lots and lots of code. And right here is the shell of the program I created that runs all the code through there. So you can see how simple it was to take this into running that. And the last benefit of this is, since it's so easy to run, you can train somebody really quickly. It usually only takes one maintenance cycle now to get somebody up to the ropes, where previously it could take you 3 or 4. It makes a really difficult process a lot more simple.